And I think that's why it feels big, because it's so long down there that it's so obvious that it's big, if that makes sense. Hi everyone. I don't know if I'm loud enough. Do you think I'm loud enough?
Huh?
Do you think I'm loud enough?
Yeah, what?
I need scissors. Do you think I'm loud enough?
No. Only the microphone.
Okay. Where's my phone?
Just two.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Hi everyone. How's that? Babes. How's that? Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time, and welcome if you're new. My name is Helen. In today's video, I wanted to show you some of the things that I got from Fashion Nova. So I have a trip coming up, and I shopped, right? And I won't tell you I won't tell you where yet. You'll find out later, like in another video. But I wanted to dress proper for that occasion, or for that vacation rather. I wanted to dress proper for that vacation. So I went on Fashion Nova to shop for some trench coats. I don't know if you can guess where by me saying trench coats. I doubt it, but anyway. Is my camera blurry? I don't think so. But anyway, so yes, I got some stuff from Fashion Nova. So I'm gonna open that up and show you. So I think I have 4 trench coats, 1 dress, and 1 pair of shoes. And I've had this delivery for a while. Like I've ordered for a while. It's been delivered. I just never opened them because I wanted to show you and I didn't get the chance to. So we're gonna do that today. Alright, let's dive into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one right here. They're all from Fashion Nova, like I said. Why are you staring at me like that?
So you don't look like I told you to yourself.
The heck? This is 1 trench coat. And this is another. That's that. Let's open this one. Ooh. This is another trench coat, hot pink. And I believe this is another trench coat, 7. And wait, hold up. Thought I only bought 1 dress. Why are they the same color? Is it up and down?
2 piece.
Yeah?
2 piece.
2 pieces. What? Did they give me free gift? I don't remember buying this. No, I don't remember. What is this? It's not even 2 pieces. It's the same thing. What? Alright, we're gonna open this and see because this is weird. This is the dress. I remember this one. Let me check my receipt. So yeah, sweater dress. This one. I did. I got 12. I got 2 of this mini dress. What? It's a mini dress. I got 2. 2. For what reason? Okay. What's that? I mean, obviously that was not intentional, but I'm just surprised because, I mean, did I not see the price? Did I not wonder why my total is this much? Okay. Anyway, let's start with this. This is a basic long sweater dress. Looks like this. I kind of want to wear it, kind of. And wear the trench coat on, like each of the trench coats on it, so that you can see what it looks like. But again, kind of, because I don't know. But hold on, let's see this one. And they're in the same size. I don't know, who can I gift now? Because I'm not returning this on Fashion Nova. They won't give you your money, but they'll give you credit, because you have to spend money to return it. It's even big. It's supposed to be this big. Oh dear Lord. Maybe I should try this on. It's not bad. So basically it is a, how do I even explain it? Like it's big here and it's tight here. Like that's the design. I don't know if I like it. What do you think? The dress is not fine. It's not all that. It's just there. Honestly, it's just there. I mean, it's soft. It's cool on the skin, but
Not there.
it's just not there.
Right. It's almost there, but not there.
I want to show you the full fit. Babes, can you record me on the phone, please? You all set? Okay. Alright. Pause. Thank you. So, clearly it's the same as this, so we don't have to wear this one.
Check, maybe you bought two different sizes.
No, they're the same size.
Alright.
They're the same size. I can still gift it out. I think it will fit someone that wears a medium. I think, see, the back is just blonde. Do you see what I'm saying? Just there. Anyway, let me open this one and wear it. I'm excited for the trench coat. I hope they fit. I think I got us one. Oh, shoot, sorry. So excited. Forgot that I have to take the buttons off. So this is black. No. Babes, I need you again. How is it, baby?
It's a big. It's big.
It's what?
It's bigger than
It's big.
Yeah, what's the size?
Ow.
Yeah, sorry, size.
I mean, if you think it's big, does it make sense if I wear a long dress instead? And then
No, this is nice.
Oh yeah. Maybe I should when you unbox the shoes so I can wear the shoes and it's complete.
Before I got this one too.
Okay. Should I button now?
Yeah. Good.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so I did video on the phone, you see that. And then let's wear the next one. Let's wear this hot pink. Hot pink. Ooh, I like it. I feel like, I try so hard not to like pink, so I don't always get excited when I see pink. Because pink is not really my color. I just find myself wearing pink a lot. Oh, it's not my color. Oh, I like it though. So cute. I like it. Oh, so cute. By the way, these coats are so luscious. Like the feel. What do you think, baby? Oh, I love it.
It's nice. It's quite nice actually.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I love this one. You like this better than the other one? And I think that the sleeves are right on this one,
Yeah.
right? That other one seems longer. Alright, come do my video, please.
Maybe it's the color. Probably
Oh.
the same size as that, but just the color.
It is so lush. As in luxury. Lush.
Wait, that's not a real word.
Just do my video, please.
Okay.
So no buttons, right? Just a belt, which I don't mind. So cute. You all set? Okay, we're all set. Alright, so next in line. You are next in line for your miracle. I don't know if I really like this color. Is this tweed? Is that what they call it?
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know too.
It's double breasted button. I think that's what how they say it. Wait. Yeah. So, okay, it looks like this. It's the same feel as the other one, so yes, very lovely. Feels good. No belts, just buttons, like so. There's a slit at the back. I don't know if the others, the others have slits at the back too. Alright, babes, I'm ready. Baby boy, I'm ready. You like this one? I still like the pink the most. I think after that, then the
It's
black.
not your size.
It's not my size.
Yeah,
It's
it's
too
medium.
big. I don't know. I didn't check the size. It's too big.
Yeah.
Excuse
It's
me.
not on your shoulder.
And do the video still.
It's small.
It's small, yeah?
That's weird.
How does it look on my shoulder? Let me see.
It's falling on your shoulder.
I don't
It's
think
supposed to
so.
be here.
I'll wear like that.
Okay.
It's good to keep me warm.
Alright.
Yeah.
You wait till the penguin Madagascar.
What?
Penguin of Madagascar.
They're gonna
Maybe I
buy
do like
that
this.
Kani.
It's nice.
Hold on, let me try to do the buttons.
There's no first song.
There is a first button here, but I
Yeah,
don't think there's
yeah.
hole for it. That's so weird that there's no hole for it.
The Chinese kid making that clothes, sleeping up, decided to forget to put a hole on it.
Or is it design? Is it too long?
Yeah.
You think it's too long?
Yeah.
It feels big, right?
Yeah, it's just like a overall rather than a jacket.
Compared to the black, what do you think? Which one is bigger?
The black is too better. This
Okay,
is
so
massive.
I'll gift this one out. You got it?
Yeah.
So I'll gift this one out then. Yeah, it feels so big right here. Alright, thank you. I think we have one more. Before I do the last one, or before I open the last one, I want to open the shoes. I can't remember what type of shoes I got. Why would I get this? No, why would I get this? I have something similar. Did I think it was structured rather than cloth and that falls off? I swear I'll be buying rubbish. I'll be buying rubbish. Let's wear this. Oops, there's something in it. I don't know, I don't quite like boots like this because my thighs are not wide or big enough to hold them, so they fall, they drop. That's why I'm surprised I got this, because I have something similar and that's the same thing that happens to that one. And even this at the back doesn't quite help. I guess I already bought it. Okay, this is what it looks like. It fits the dress, right? Kind of. I think so. Alright, so let's wear the last. Same feeling, so lovely. This one is shorter and I'm excited, so it won't look like they threw me in it. This is what it looks like. Babes, I'm ready.
This is nice.
It's nice.
Wait. It's
Long.
not too big, too long.
That's fine. It's okay. It's when it's cold, your hands feel warm. I like it. I like it. Oh, it feels so good. So good. Bum, bum, so good. You started? Let me do the button. It's nice, yeah. I like it. So. I like it. I like all of them except for the ones that are big, which is in particular is that gray. But besides that, I think they're all good. So not only is this gray big, it's also very long. And I think that's why it feels big, because it's so long down there that it's so obvious that it's big, if that makes sense. Because it's a small. But besides that, I think that they all look good. I like the brown, I like the pink. I think those two will be my favorites, this one and the pink, then the black. So I'm gonna be gifting this out. I'm gonna be gifting it. Anyway, that's the end. Let me know which one is your favorite. I didn't try on the dress, it's just the bodycon sweater dress, so there's no need. But let me know which one you like. Let me know which one is your favorite. And that is it. I'll catch you in my next. Bye. It's such a chaotic video, I know. Please manage it.